This was not my first space flight. Previous assignments for my newspaper had sent me to the moon many times.
Islam.
But never into the vast reaches of deep space.
Unfold like a petal in the rain. Elevate to Allah so plain. As above, so below, feel the pain. Always chasing happiness like water down a drain. Fast lane through the North Gate. Speed of light as I travel, trying to keep straight. Milky Way, 7 sisters as I navigate. Big dipper, 7 stars, triple ladies, let it correlate. Ethers cause these powers that be. Elohim, 7 eyes that see. Took an axe to the bloodline tree. In the soil, potent seeds grow free. From his brow cometh majesty. All these stinking dead zombies walk around with a tragedy. Ollie got my spirit charged like a battery. They burn up trying to judge my anatomy. More is mad at me, cause I spin 360 like a daiquiri. In a blender with nationality. Why you mad, more? Can't stop this UFO topless. All these demonstrations get monotonous. What's the apocalypse? Cause they godless. But until then, I'ma drop this cosmic droplets. Why you mad for? Yo. Scimitar sharp as the blades in Persia. Disengage gravity using inertia. Gyro wheel, this is Shiloh's merger. Divine intervention, get your lowest of murder. Pink elephant in the room, call me a nerd. Hybrid synthesis, pull up your girder. I come to return, pale skin, vice versa. Circles have a spinning, it will never desert ya. Sun up in Leo running to and fro. The coming of the wheel from the sky green glow. Venus in the skyline, then I'll know. The prophet has returned, Sagittarius bow. Portals open up, disappear in thin air. Arrive in light speed, feel I've been there. Beings on squares, outfits like swimwear. Symbols on the chest, pentagrams and gold chairs. Cosmic droplets. Can't stop this UFO topless. All these demonstrations get monotonous. What's the apocalypse? Cause they godless. But until then, I'ma drop this cosmic droplets.